Hello, my name's Brenda Smith. My love affair with nature began about 15 years ago. I was living in a rented house in Levenshulme and inspired by a friend, I started to grow plants. It started with linseeds scattered between the cracks in the paving stones, flowering a powdery blue. It was a revelation. My fascination with plants, particularly growing them from seed, has blossomed in a big way. For the last 7 years, I've had a very productive organic allotment, in addition to my wildlife-friendly garden in Levenshulme. It is truly alive with hundreds of different species of insects, and we also have loads of different visiting birds, amongst jays, tits, blackbirds and finches. I can't bear the thought of using slug pellets, which are very harmful to birds and mammals. What was once a hobby has progressed into a way of life in more ways than one. With my friend and now business partner Severine, I run a small eco-friendly garden centre in Burnage called Bud. The way we run the garden centre is an extension of how I garden and live my life. Although lots of the plants we buy are grown in peat, we promote and sell only peat-free compost. On a very basic level, peat provides a habitat for many species of insects and plants. Butterflies and dragonflies depend on it for their survival. It takes 1,000 years to make just 1 metre of peat. Who are we to just dig it up with scant regard for our flora and fauna and use it as garden compost? There are alternatives. When customers at the garden centre ask about peat, I use the analogy of a bulldozer coming into their community and destroying their houses, their friends' houses, their community centre and their school. Peat-free compost is made from recycled materials, which is good news to the environment as less waste is sent to landfill. Like using herbicides and pesticides, peat is just a quick fix solution. It has nothing to do with nature or me.